Learners from schools across Manicaland province gathered in Mutare last Friday for the Zimpapers Artificial Intelligence Conference, where they were equipped with knowledge and practical skills on the safe, responsible and ethical use of digital technologies. Speakers at the conference encouraged learners to embrace artificial intelligence as a tool for innovation, education, and problem solving while remaining vigilant against cybercrime and online threats. They stressed the importance of protecting personal information, verifying online content, and using digital platforms responsibly, noting that responsible digital citizenship is essential in today's rapidly evolving technological landscape.
Tataura pamusoro cyber security and AI. These two, they go hand in hand. Vana vechikoro will find kuti vanoishandisa cyber security, vanoishandisa AI, but while this vari kuishandisa, we need then Zimpapers to impart information kuvana, warning about how they are going to embrace AI. Then in the process, vanofana kuziva kuti vari kushandisa AI, cyber security yakavakoshereiwo, vanozviprotecta sei digital.
Today we had a teaching about AI, artificial intelligence. The first thing I heard about AI is that you have to know the rules. It has one rule which says human comes first, then artificial intelligence. Because if we embrace in AI, to manipulate, we can do bad habits and other sort of stuff which are harmful. AI is very important to us because it can help us in career. You get to have careers which you can do. For example, you can design or even do content creation. And we learned about it. It also has bad sides. Some people can use it for scamming and cyberbullying. So we should also take note of that and avoid people who do such stuff.
Artificial intelligence yakanakira kuti saona chikoro inobatsira ma research like ma project, but it is ma project inotipa ma answers.
You would find kuti vana vechikoro is just technology through and through. Saka vakashaya vanhu vanotaurira now from the industry side kuti pamaushandisa AI tools yakazvinakira izvi, but iwo ine madangers aya. So we are here as Zimpapers then to help spread the information or impart the knowledge to say, while we are embracing AI, which is a good thing, on the other side, it's also dangerous. How best can you then make AI work for you by adopting security measures that then cyber security is recommending. So tafara zvikuru kuti vana vechikoro vauya in their numbers, and the Zimpapers will try by all means on an annual basis to bring vana vechikoro tichivataurira the good thing about using AI or embracing AI. What is it? What it brings to the nation, to the communities that they are coming from, to the schools that they are coming from. How best they can then think critically AI ichiwabetsera, but also it has to go hand in hand in cyber security kuti vasangomhanya ne AI vasingaziva the security measures dzinofanira kunge dzichiitwa embraced kuti vagare vari safe, respecting each other in terms of spreading information, what to post on social media and what not to post on social media.
It can give us false information and it leads to cyberbullying.
AI zvayakashatira ndezvekuti inokwanisa kana kuchinja model kana like my cyber crimes aya zvekuti AI inokwanisa kana kutora voice rangu ndichitaura zvinhu zvisizo, of which sandizvo zvanenge ndataura, handiti ndo zvayakashatira. Inokwanisa kana kungotora image yemunhu, handiti kana face yangu yotoisa pane image kana kuti chemunhu asina kupfeka, something like that. Ndo zvayakashatira AI.
One has to be very, very careful pane zvinhu zvaanenge achiisa pasocial media. So cyber security is key, AI is key. So we are happy kuti vana, at least they've learned one or two things when they are going back vachanoimplementa some of these things.
uchimani maindadzoka kuchako 1 unoudza vanhu zvakanakira ai kuti ai musazomboita difficult kuweka maprojects like heritage based curriculums yakachinja mamwe masubjects akasiyana, mamwe masubject ari difficult zvekuti wakaenda kumba unobvunza mama kuti science and technology chii vanototadzawo kupindura handiti, but ai unokwanisa kana kutongoti ukaibvunza handiti inokwanisa kana kutongokubuditsira kuti zvinowekwa so zviri easy. Ndozvakanakira ai sevana vechikoro.
Let us embrace artificial intelligence responsibly. I want you to note and bold and italize responsibly, because this can be abused. Let us innovate ethically. Let us protect our digital future through strong cybersecurity measures. And together, let us build a smarter, safer, and more prosperous Zimbabwe.